Hi there and welcome back. I'm just here to do a flip through of the latest journals that we've been working on. So these are the Bluebell wood journals. There's two of them. Have I got a ruler? Not a very big one. So they are, no, I don't know, 8.5 high by about 6.25 and about just over 1.5, you know, that way. They're both about the same. So one I've done with a green cover and the other blue. They're both material, and they've got Laura Ashley wallpaper inside. Both got lovely toppers on. Let's have a look at the green one first. So I've got this lovely ditzy green material with this rustic looking topper. Got lace down the side. It's been sewn twice around the cover, and it's tied up with just some ribbon, which is, you know, inside the cover, so you're not gonna lose your tie. Inside we've got this Laura Ashley wallpaper. So you've got a pocket here. There's nothing in it. Some pockets haven't got anything in it, not many, but some haven't. And we've got a card there. Kit page with some lace down. I've put bits on, you know, there should be a bit of something on each page, just for, you know, a bit of interest and starting, you know, you off, so it's not such a daunting prospect of writing on an empty page. Okay, got book pages, tea stained pages. Another pocket with a journal card, kit page, that's a freebie on Patreon. A little bit of a flip out. Another kit page with a sewn ruffle, the same as the cover. Guest check, which has got a pocket with a journal card. These are some over the page pockets. I haven't filled them, they are empty. And then we've got this little tassel on the paper clip. Got a little invoicey thing there. Some lace sewn down at that side. Tea stained paper. Another freebie page here. Got a pocket here with kit stuff. Opens up, so you've got some writing there. Other side of the invoice. Got a torn pocket here with a couple of playing cards and a journal card there. Got an envelope pocket there. I think there's just some tea stained paper in there. Got a playing card, a journal card, and another journal card up there. I think they're both from the kit. Little pocket here, that's with some Tim Holtz vellum, and then a postcard in the pocket. Got some wallpaper border there as a page. And then we go on to the second signature. So there's two signatures in each, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 pages, which is, oh dear, 40, 36, 9, 12, 52 sides, so 104 sides. I think that's about right in both of them. Yep. glue. Oops, episode of that. Okay. I thought I'd been really good and not done that. Another pocket there. I've just put those in for something to put in there. Another kit page. Got a book image on here. Just put some scrapbook paper on the other side. Tea stained paper. Book page, little pocket here. Again, I've just popped some things in just so there's something in the pocket. Some tea cards and some die cut tickets. Excuse me. Another kit page, little envelope here, and a couple of kit things there, and some bits and bobs in here. Another tea card and some bits of paper. This flips out. Got this invoice, which is from 1942. It's original. That flips up if you wanted to write on there. Then we've got this belly band here. There is a pocket here which I've not found anything to go in it. Some Tim Holtz ephemera there, and I've just made it into a writing journal card type thing. There's a postcard what you can colour, and William Morris postcard there. So that goes behind there. Another freebie page. This is another one of those over the page pockets which I've not put anything in. Other side to that invoice. Some lace down this one. It's another pocket with a lovely postcard with bluebells on it. Just put some book images in that pocket. Yep. This flips out. We've got a double journal card in there, and I've just popped some tickets there, some die cut tickets. Another book illustration. And then the back page is some papers just with the Tim Holtz Brad, just to keep them together, and another William Morris postcard, and then that's that wallpaper from Laura Ashley. So that is the first one. Hopefully I'll have managed to get these into Etsy before I go away on holiday, because when you see this video I will be on holiday, so I'm hoping to have got them in before. Okay, the second one, same again, you know, material on the front. Got these beads just clipped on with a ball pen. Again, we've got the ribbon which goes through the cover, Laura Ashley wallpaper, and I've done a matching pocket. Got a William Morris postcard and a kit piece, kit page. Got some lace down the side, wallpaper. This has got the same amount of pages. That flips out. Got a card in there, and then that card there. That's scrapbook paper. I think this is the one I did on screen. I don't know if I finished it on screen or not. Another one of those pockets, which again I've not put anything in them. Got another invoice. That one's from 1941. It's an original book page, little envelope with some bits in, and tea cards, and a bit from the kit. That's a kit page. Little pocket there with a journal card and a book page there. Other side of that, invoice. Lovely sticker there. Another kit page. This little envelope, it's just got some tea stained paper in, some lace down that side. One of those torn pockets. Got another one of those with the Tim Holtz ephemera, and I've just again made it into a little journal card. A card and a tea card there. Another William Morris postcard and some die cut tickets there, and then just a couple of pieces of, you know, bits which you can either make into something or just write on the backs of them. There's an envelope here with a bit of something in the envelope, and then some tea stained paper, what tucks in there. Got a cluster here. And some eggs, and then we're on to the second one. Got a flip out. Got a ruffle here with the same material as on the cover. Another one of those postcard pockets with some kit pieces in there. Love this page. You could obviously put a photo or something on there. Little pocket here with a William Morris postcard. Another pocket made with the wallpaper, and then a journal card, and another kit page, some lace down the edge. Then that flips out. You have to excuse the dog. Book page, and then another over the page pocket. Okay, another book illustration, one of those invoices. This is a lovely postcard in here. So that goes in there. Another kit page. Yep. Some scrapbook paper. Little pockets, which are, again, I've put some die cut tickets in there just so there's something in there. Another kit page. Up tuck with this double journal card. I don't know if I put anything in there. I didn't. And another pocket here, which is from the kit. Put a bit of lace down that pocket, and then another pocket here with a couple of those book images. Definitely make some pockets or something with those, and then some lace down this one, and that is that. So these are totally finished. I will be doing some more woodland journals after my holiday with the Foxglove Forest, and then I will be doing a big woodland journal which will have the Bluebell Woods in, the Foxglove Forest, and then we'll do an autumn part and a winter part. So it's going to be the woods through the seasons. So thank you for watching the flip through, and if you watched any of the makings of these journals, then I very much appreciate it. And yeah, until tomorrow, have a good day. Bye for now.